Okay. I am recording this today to see if I can keep it going in such a way that I can post these videos. Okay, so just letting you know. All right, so that's why it said recording in progress. So we'll see how it goes today. All right. Okay, so what we're getting ready to do is we're going to go over our exit ticket. And that's the concepts we've been learning over the past couple of days. We're going to go over our warm up, and then you're going to have an exit ticket. Sorry. All right. So that's what's getting ready to happen. So we are multiplying, and this is a binomial times a binomial, which is two terms and two terms. So we make a 2 by 2 box. Okay, I'm going to put this down the side, an X and a -6. Make sure you had a -6, okay, not just a +6. We're going to put an X and a +2 across the top. Okay, now, y'all, when you're filling in the box, this is where you're adding powers because it's multiplication. So add powers, we get x squared. 2 times x is 2x. -6 times x is -6x. -6 times 2 is -12. Okay, that's where we were adding powers. Okay, now we are combining like terms. So y'all, we're not adding powers anymore. Okay, we're just keeping the variable. All right, so -6 plus 2 is -4x. Then I'm going to bring my x squared down, and I'm going to bring down my -12. Here is your answer. Okay, y'all, please be aware there's a spot on your exit ticket that says answer for you to write it. The reason why is y'all filling in this box and going to the next problem, that you're not done. That, I mean, you're almost there, but you actually need to state what your answer is. Okay, combine like terms to state your answer. Any question on that one? Justice, I don't know what's going on, but you got that look like you getting ready to do something else like you did before. You getting ready to disrupt my class. I'm just letting you know. Okay. And when you do, I'm going to send you out. Okay. So that's that. That's going to be on your exit ticket. Anybody else got a question? Okay. Number 2. Y'all, number 2 is not going to be on the exit ticket, but we should really know how to do it. And the sad thing is it's the one y'all don't know how to do. This is way back from like unit 1. Okay. We're doing nothing but distribution and combining like terms. So the distribution happens here with the -2. So -2 times 5x is -10x. -2 times +4 is -8. I didn't mess with these guys, so I'm going to bring them down. And now, just to clean it up, we're going to combine like terms. So I've got a +3x and a -10x. Okay, that gives me a -7x. Then I can combine my constants. 10 minus 8 is 2, and it's a +2. So that's the simplified form of that. How'd y'all do on that one? Did anybody get right? Okay, good.
Wait, does it matter which order it's in?
It doesn't matter, but you need to know on a standardized test, y'all, this would be the order that the multiple choice would be in. Notice power of 2, power of 1, no x at all. Okay, but if you switched it around and it wasn't a standardized test, I mean, it would still be correct. Yeah. All right. Okay, last one. We've got 2 terms being multiplied by 3 terms. So that's why we have a 2 by 3 box. Some of y'all may just decide I'm going to distribute, then I'm going to distribute, and I'm just going to combine like terms. I like the box because it organizes things. So the 4x and the -3 go down the side. And then these 3 terms go across the top. We've got an x squared, we've got a 7x, we got a 4. Okay. Now remember, when we're filling in the box, this is where we're adding powers. Anthony, same goes for you. Y'all about to get on my last nerve. Adding powers. Okay, so this is a power of 1, power of 2. That gives me x to the power of 3. Multiply coefficients, so that first box is 4x cubed. Okay. Okay, let's come to our second box. X to the first is x squared. 7 times 4 is 28, and it's a +28. Okay, here we've got 4 times 4 is 16, and y'all, we only have 1x. So it just goes with the problem. Okay, let's go down here. 1x squared times negative 3 is negative 3x squared. Good there. Okay, 7x times negative 3 is negative 21x. Check your sign. And then negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. How'd we do filling in the boxes?
Good.
Good.
Okay. Okay, so now, again, y'all, this is really your answer, but we can clean some stuff up. Well, how do we clean it up? Well, these terms are alike, so I can combine them. Okay, and these terms are alike, so I can combine them. So we're just cleaning it up. So first of all, 4x cubed, I didn't mess with it at all. I'm just going to bring it down as part of my expression. When I combine here, y'all remember, we're not adding powers anymore. Okay, so we're going to keep the x squared, and all we're doing is combining a negative 3 plus 28, not multiplication. Negative 3 plus 28, that's going to give us a positive 25. Do y'all see? I've got to have a sign separating these terms. Got to have a sign. Okay, so now I'm going to combine these. Again, we're not adding powers. We're just going to keep the variable and the power, and now it's negative 21 plus 16. Okay, well, that is negative 5. So that's negative 5x. Again, notice, 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, they've got to be separated by pluses and minuses. And last but not least is minus 12 because it doesn't go with anything. And again, y'all, I have a spot for you to write your answer on your exit ticket. So make sure you don't just fill in the box and go, okay, there's my answer. Question? And y'all, really, all we've done is changed forms. These are equivalent. This is standard form, and this is factored form. But they are equivalent expressions. They're just in different forms. Okay? We good? Okay. All right. So let me give you the next step to what we're going to do. Okay? When you guys, let's see if I can do something.